All right. Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to the classroom today. And we are going to talk about Lesson 6 in your Write book, which is on page 14, and it's on action verbs and linking verbs. Now, I know that you have a pretty good idea of what an action verb is. Run, jump, play, poke, skip, hop. Any sort of an action is an action verb. But there are other verbs that aren't action verbs, and they're called linking verbs. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. All right, I just had to switch views here. So, in your Write book, the first thing it says is that a sentence always has a subject and a verb. So another way that's sometimes said is a naming part and an action part. For example, the dog ran down the street. Okay? The subject, it's about the dog, and the verb is that it ran. Right? So the subject tells who or what the sentence is about, and the verb is usually a word that shows action. They tell what the subject does. And there are some examples here in your Write book. Kendra packed a suitcase. The balloons rose high. She drives a school bus. He ironed his shirt. Okay, but not all verbs show action. Some link. Okay, and link means like you hook together like a chain when you think link. All right, so some verbs link the subject to the words in the sentence that tell something about the subject. And common linking verbs are am, is, are, was, were. I am tired. A kiwi is a fruit, and so on. So we're going to go over to the board. All right, I'm going to get our cup of sticks, and we're going to pick someone to be famous. A V. Okay, so we're going to write a sentence with an action word. V ran down the hill. All right, here it is. A V ran down the hill. So, of course, our subject is a V. That's who it's about. And the action verb is ran. Okay, that's the action verb. But now we're going to write a sentence with a linking verb. Okay, a linking verb like as, is, was, are, and so on. Okay? So, a V is happy. All right? In this case, is a linking verb. It's linking the subject to, in this case, the adjective. Happy is an adjective. All right? So there you go. There's a quick review on action verbs and linking verbs.